I prayed for this every night. Is it really you, Mom?
My baby. I waited 20 years to hold your hand again.
Please promise me. Never leave me again. I need you both so much.
Catch the ball, Mia. Catch it. I got it. I am the winner.
Good job, kids. Stay inside the yard, please.
Mommy, can we go to the park today?
No, Leo. Daddy is busy at work, and I have many emails to write.
But I am bored. The yard is small.
I understand, but we must stay here today. It is safe for you.
Okay, Mommy. We can play with the small car. Oh! The sky is gray now. Is it going to rain?
Yes, it is a light rain. Come here, under the roof.
Look, Mia. There is an old man across the street. He is a delivery man, Leo. He has a big yellow bag. Someone is coming out of the house. The neighbor looks angry.
Why are you so late? I want my food now!
I am very sorry, sir. The rain started, and the road is slippery.
This is bad. You are a very slow worker. Ah!
Oh no! The neighbor closed the door very loudly. The old man is sitting on the ground. He looks very sad. I feel bad for him. He is old like a grandpa. Look, Mia. The old man is standing up now. He is moving his motorbike. He looks very weak. Oh! Something fell from his pocket. It is a small black object. He is moving his motorbike. He looks very weak. He is gone. He did not hear you because of the engine noise. Let's go out and get it, Leo. No, Mia. Stop. We must not go out of the gate alone.
What is happening, kids? Why are you shouting?
Mommy, that old man dropped something on the street.
Stay here, children. I will go and check. Oh. It is a phone. It is very old, and the screen is a bit broken.
Can we find the owner, Mommy?
Let's go inside the house and look at it.
Do you enjoy the story? Please like and subscribe. I work very hard on these videos for you. Let's get back to the story now.
Oh my God. Look at this wallpaper.
It is a photo of a young man and a woman. Mommy, the man looks like Daddy. Is that Daddy?
Oh my God. Look at this baby. He has a small red mark on his hand. It is exactly like Daddy's mark.
Mommy, your face is very white. Are you okay? Is that the old delivery man in the photo, Mommy?
Yes, Mia. He is much younger here. And this woman, she looks so kind.
Does this mean the old man is our grandpa?
I think so, Leo. I really think so. This is a miracle.
But Daddy said he lost his parents 20 years ago.
He did. He looked for them for a long time. Now, we must help them.
Can we call someone on the phone?
Let me check the contacts. Look, there is a name here. My wife. Hello? Is that you? Are you coming home? Hello. My name is Lily. I found this phone on the street. Oh, I see. My husband is working. Is he okay? He is okay. Can you tell me your address? I want to bring the phone to you.
Are we going to their house now, Mommy?
Yes, but we need help. It is not safe to go alone to a strange place.
Who can help us? Daddy is not here.
I will call the police officer. He is our friend.
Good idea. The police can drive us in the big car.
Stay calm, kids. This is a very big day for our family. Let's go.
This is the house. It is very old and quiet.
Thank you for helping us, officer. Kids, stay close to me.
Mommy, I see the old man's motorbike near the door.
Oh, hello. Can I help you? Why is the police here?
Please don't worry. We found your phone, and we want to return it.
My phone. Thank you. I was very sad because I lost all my photos.
Sir, we saw the photo on the screen. Who is the baby in that picture?
That is our son, Jack. We lost him 20 years ago.
Is someone talking about Jack? Please, come in.
20 years ago, there was a big flood. We were badly hurt and lost our memory for a long time.
We sent Jack to stay with a relative before the flood. But when we woke up in the hospital, everyone was gone.
We searched for many years, but the city changed. We could not find the relative or our son.
This is unbelievable. My husband is also named Jack.
Many people are named Jack. But our Jack had a very special mark on his hand. A small red mark? Like a little star?
Yes. How do you know that?
This is my husband. Please, look at his hand in this picture. Oh, my heart. It is him. This is my boy. He is a man now.
We thought he was gone forever. We prayed every night for 20 years.
He looked for you, too. He never stopped loving you.
Don't cry, Grandpa. We are here now. We are your family. We have the same eyes, Grandma. Look!
Yes, you do. You are my beautiful grandchildren.
This is a miracle. I am very happy we found this house today.
Your wife needs a doctor, sir. Let's go to the hospital. We will call Jack together.
Thank you. Thank you for not giving up on an old man's phone.
Grandma, look at these flowers. I picked the yellow ones because they are bright like the sun.
Thank you, my sweet Mia.
My heart feels very warm when I see you.
The doctor came this morning, Grandma. He said you can go home tomorrow.
Is it true? No more medicine and hospital beds?
Yes, it is true. The doctor is very happy with your recovery. You are ready to start your new life.
I am so happy. But where is Jack? I miss him so much.
He is coming back from his work trip tomorrow. He will be at our house to meet you.
Daddy is very excited. He cried on the phone when Mommy told him the news.
I still feel like this is a dream. We found our son and our grandchildren.
It is not a dream. We are going to have a big dinner at our house tomorrow.
I don't need a big dinner. I only want to hold my son's hand and never let go.
Daddy! You are home.
Is it really you? Mom? Dad?
My baby. I waited 20 years to hear your voice again.
I thought I was alone in this world, Mom. I missed you so much.
We never stopped looking for you, son. Not for one day.
I am so sorry. I looked for you at the old house, but I couldn't find anyone.
Look at me, son. You still have the red mark. You are my miracle.
I looked for you until I had no hope left. I am so sorry I was late.
You are not late, son. Our family is finally whole again.
Please promise me. Never leave me again. I need you both so much.
It is okay now. The past is gone. We are home.
Look at our family. Everyone is finally together.
Daddy, did you see Grandma's eyes? They are just like yours.
Yes, Leo, I see them. Thank you, Lily. Thank you for finding them.
It was Leo and Mia. They found the phone and followed the safety rules.
Mommy, are we heroes?
Yes, you are. But remember, helping people is good, but being safe is the most important thing.
We told you first, Mommy. We didn't go to the street alone.
I am very proud of you both. You brought my parents back to me.
This is the best dinner of my life. I have my son, my daughter, and my grandchildren.
Let's eat together. We have 20 years of stories to tell. Thank you for watching our story today. I am so happy to have my parents back.
It is a beautiful ending, right? We hope you enjoyed this English lesson with our family.
Now, a quick question for you. What did we find on the street at the beginning? A. A gold ring. B. An old phone. C. A lost dog. Write your answer in the comments to practice. Also, which city or country are you watching from?
We love reading your stories and ideas.
It is amazing to see people from all over the world learning together. We are a big family here.
You did a great job today. Your English is getting better every day. Be proud of yourself. Now, here's your 24-hour challenge. Pick one new word from this lesson. Write a simple sentence and comment below in the next 24 hours. You can do it. Thank you for watching and see you soon.